How to turn off Discord join sound. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily turn off Discord join sound. So whenever you join on the Discord application or any of the voice chat on your Discord application and it produces a join sound, to simply disable it, all you need to do is just head over to your Discord applications or Discord account settings. So as you can see, I have two different voice channels, so whenever I try to join it will produce a sound of joining.
So as you
So
can
as you
see,
can
the
see, I've
sound
just joined and it
sounds
produced a sound when I join. So I'll simply disconnect and try to disable it. So just head over to user settings right next to your profile, and once you're inside, you just select this notification section under your from your left section of your screen. As you can see, there is a notification option. Now simply scroll all the way down until you see the option called activity user join. So basically when a user joins, it will produce a sound. You can simply disable it from over here just like this, and it will no longer produce a sound whenever you are joining on any of the voice chat. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.